Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail.
Sexy.
Today I will show you how to make a perfect Mai Tai cocktail like a pro. I hope you will love this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Now take a mixing glass and add 6 to 8 ice cubes. And then start pouring all the ingredients. First pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of white rum. Then pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of Cointreau. After the Cointreau, pour 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of lime mix. After the lime mix, pour half an ounce or 15 milliliters of homemade Orgeat syrup. Next pour 1/4 ounce or 7.5 milliliters of Grenadine syrup. And lastly pour 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of pineapple juice. Perfect! Next quickly shake all the ingredients 6 to 8 times. Awesome! Now take a hurricane glass and fill it with lots of ice cubes. I hope you are enjoying this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting cocktails and mixology tidbits. Now slowly pour the mixture straight into the glass. It is said that the classic Mai Tai cocktail was created by Victor J. Bergeron in 1944 in Oakland, California. The meaning of Mai Tai is good, and I hope that you will really love this cocktail. Perfect! Now carefully float 1 ounce or 30 milliliters of dark rum. If you really like this recipe, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to share your experience with me. Perfect! Now the classic Mai Tai cocktail is almost ready. So garnish it with a pineapple flag and fresh mint sprig. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.